Great day, great life, great now, beautiful Vibrillionaire Soul family. Quick reminder for a weekly Samadhi Silent Global Meditation. It is going to begin in less than 20 minutes. A little bit sooner as I upload this to Instagram. Also, this is a market research video taking in data from our beautiful Vibrillionaire Soul family, you the viewers, our beautiful mirrors, which is really ourselves, looking and feeling ourselves and knowing what we want, asking what we want. And my question to you is, I've been doing the 7 minutes within now that is now known as being here now within Samadhi at 6:30 in the morning. But I've been getting different preferences of people telling me they want me to do it in the afternoon. Some people telling me they even want me to do it in the evening. And I'm asking you, what is the best time that is best for you? Because I desire to start a global revolution of voting for ourselves, getting baptized in the holy presence of now every single day, Monday through Saturday. So let me know if that works for you at 6:30 in the morning like usual, or if that works for you in the early mid-afternoons, maybe 11, 12, 1, or 4, 5, 6. And depending on the days which Ali and I have appointments, we can move it accordingly. So thank you so much for all your contribution. Thank you so much to every single one of you that has made and continues to make my life so enjoyable, seeing the transformational stories, witnessing the transformations in front of our eyes every single day, doing what we love and continuing to do what we love. So we have silence in a couple minutes, and I want to share this beautiful tree behind me, because in the summer it's full of green, full of pomegranates, but look at it. It looks like it has no life, but it has so much life. It's just in a coma right now. It's just taking a rest. It's taking a pause. When is the last time you've taken a rest? When is the last time you've taken a pause intentionally to honor your body, to honor your brain, to honor your soul? When is the last time you let go and allowed you to love you just unconditionally? Like not just, but unconditionally. Without any concepts, without any ideas, without any expectations, without any prejudice or judgment. When is the last time you got quiet for you intentionally? Because just like nature obeys law. Humanity has forgotten how to obey law. And one of the most important things is to rest. We do it for our phones, we do it for our tablets, we do it for our computers, we even do it for our vehicles and our homes. When is the last time you rested? And doing this for many, 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 many years, something that we take so much for granted is the most fundamental, important thing of our lives, is rest, where you restore, rejuvenate, and you reborn to yourself, so you can get to know and live who you truly are. Zuleika, bendiciones. Great to see you. So in a couple minutes, we're going to be doing our weekly Samadhi Silent Global Meditation, which is every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And then we do our monthly Samadhi Silent Global Meditation every month on the 10th of the month at 10 a.m., 9 a.m. Pacific, 10 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And one last thing. Thank you for the love, Suleika. I love you. We miss you. The one last thing is silence is the universal language. And I've gotten criticized for this, and I'll still share. And I want to bless those that, you know who you are, that's criticized me, and just a recent post has criticized me so much that I thank you, because I got to do deeper inner work within myself, because that's how life shows up. I don't take anything offensively. I take it like an opportunity to get to know where I need to transform. So thank you first and foremost. So number 2 is the silence is a universal language. What do I mean by this? It is a language that unites us all. None of us can ignore the silence. And if we do, we're not very happy campers. It can become our torture. So we all have silence. We all face silence. In the beginning of our day when it's quiet, and then those thoughts just start to come, so you have those moments of silence. Or in the evenings, or when those moments of boredom. Or in the evenings when you're about to lay your head to the pillow And instead of silence, silence turns into regret, resentment, anger, frustration, fear, all these different things. So my invitation to you is join us in silence so you can start experiencing what silence was truly born and designed to be. It was designed to be our partner. It was designed to be our romance of knowing that there's a part of us that just loves us for who we are. And there's nothing we must do. There's nothing that we have to earn. Silence embraces us just as we are. And take it from someone who experienced the silence and fought with the silence, judged the silence, was violent with the silence. And the whole time I didn't realize I was doing it to myself. So, if this sounds like something that you are going through, I would love to have a conversation with you. And any one of our students will tell you that when you start embracing a little bit of the silence, and you just start loving yourself a little more, because you don't have to earn your love. Surrender to the love that you are. And that's why I show up week in, week out, month in, month out, and day in, day out. So I took a pause, so let me know. I am also going to do the water meditation this evening at 6 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, 5 p.m. Pacific. It's so programmed for the morning. So I look forward to seeing you this evening. In the meantime, we'll see you in a couple minutes. I have 7 minutes. And please invite everyone and anyone you know, because this is the revolution of consciousness that is so taken for granted. But nature obeys it. And by nature obeying it, in the spring, it's even stronger than ever before. But if the tree resists what is it called? If the tree resists going into a coma, going into a rest, it could be its last season, because it knows to follow an intelligence that says you need to surrender, you need to let go, because if you don't let go, the winter is going to kill you. So if life seems like it's killing you, it's because really the intelligence within you is telling you to surrender. Trust me, I know from personal experience, and I don't recommend fighting against life. We'll only lose. We've been taught fight, all this different, stuff that served us before, but no longer serves us. Kamal, blessings, beautiful soul, beautiful mirror, great to see you. So we're gonna be in silence in a couple minutes, and let me tell you, it's the greatest way to vote. It's the greatest way to surrender to the holy baptism of now, the present moment, that there's no better moment than now. And I got much more to come for all of you. Let me know how I can serve you. Let me know how even I need to improve. Tell me, please, because I gain from all of you. I don't know everything. I don't know nothing. So please, let me know how I can improve. Let me know what you would like. Let me know, what ideas, what you would like to hear, because it could better serve other people when we speak up. So we're in this together. And thank you so much, everyone. Much love. And please share this with everyone and everywhere, because this is not being televised. And when we can get quiet, I don't care what language you speak, we all speak silence. Listen to that one more time, because that's why I was considered crazy, because I was, saying in this group that I was a part of, that silence is the universal language. And people don't embrace it. But this is why I'm here doing my part, so that we can stop the discrimination, so we can stop the prejudice within our own self, and the racial discrimination of, positive, negative, light, dark. If I'm good enough, I treat myself well. If I'm bad enough, then I'm my worst enemy. This has got to stop, because it's affecting the collective. And please, we need to come together. This is the revolution of consciousness, and I can go on and on and on. I love you all. I'm here for you all. Let me know how I can serve. Let me know how I can not be better, but let me know how I can refine and distill what no longer serves, so I can better serve. Thank you so much, and let's do this together. Kamal, blessings. Suleika, blessings. And someone else I seen pop on. Blessings, much love. We'll see you in a few.